cut out for her.
What? Why are you copying me?
Why are you copying me?
Alright.
Alright. I'm sorry, I had that last one coming. Don't be a hidden block, thank you.
Hooray!
Oh
Give me that second star.
I want Skeleton Gate in case you wanted to go away from Bill.
In case the star spawns here. Even though Boo is much more beneficial. Oh hey, and it's up there. Uh-oh, turned up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one, that one's fair though, because no one is going that direction. Alright, another blue space.
Alright, so... what can I do?
You can land on a happy space. It's probably not a good thing, because you probably want to go to the right.
I actually don't even remember this path to the left.
Yeah, me neither on that one. Oh, we got a Bowser.
Ah.
Hello again, Bowser.
If this is Bowser Revolution, then I am going to take my controller. Okay, good. Because...
yeah, it literally can't be. 15 coins for Bowser.
wow.
He has 3.
DK is just getting absolutely slammed on this board.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm laughing, but that's just to hide the fact that I actually feel really bad for him. Yeah, 2v2! Jinx.
now we almost never get 2v2s.
That's what I remember. Yeah, Puddle Paddle! Jinx. Even though I didn't say the same thing there, Jinx.
Hey, this one's in
The,
Mario Party.
and the Superstars. In Mario Party, the Superstars. Also remember that the CPU mimics your inputs on this one. And also tank controls. Oh, never mind, I guess this is a super... why? Why did you... why would you... well, okay. Guess they're just gonna throw 2 coin bags right at you. And somehow one of them doesn't land.
Yeah,
I don't get it either. Wow, I got absolutely slammed in luck there.
Still only ended up with 3 less coins than us.
Yeah,
I wonder if
that's
I should've
because I was
sabotaged
playing
there,
good.
so that Peach wouldn't gain more coins, because now she has enough to buy a star.
Yeah, but neither of you are even remotely close to it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I actually think that that cutscene is much better in this game. In the Superstars version, it just goes on for too long.
Yeah.
Well, I guess she wanted to...
She's gonna manipulate the amount of spaces she goes on. Oh, because she didn't want to land on Game Guy.
that actually makes sense.
Oh, hi, DK.
Good job, Com. You may have accidentally...
frog!
Good job! Good job, Peach. You accidentally did something smart for once.
Yeah.
Let me check something. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15... Does not really look like there's any bad spaces on my path apart from that Bowser space.
Yeah.
So, I am going to do it.
What?
I am going to buy a mannequin.
Wow!
Check it out, I purchased the mannequin.
Dang! What a mannequin. Alright.
My god, that's a massive mannequin!
Yeah. No allegories at all.
What?
I don't know.
So you don't like
Yeah.
it when I make naughty jokes, meanwhile you're sitting right here
Okay.
and saying stuff like that? Yeah, that was the main reason why I wanted to do that. Because then I can get a magic lamp. Yeah!
Land on the bank. Wow. Things are
I was hoping
coming
that
up
was
ToadRules.
gonna happen. Yeah, I may actually get 1 star. Oh yeah, and DK still exists.
Yep.
DK just wants to be put out of his misery by this point. Poor guy. Look, he's so depressed he's not even paying attention to the fact that he could have bought a golden mushroom.
Oh, sap. Alright, what are we gonna get?
Poor Sap, shut your yap.
Pipe cleaners. Oh, this one's an interesting one.
Oh yeah, this is the one where the baby Bowsers come out of the pipes.
Yeah.
Baby Bowsers come out of the pipes. This is one that they didn't return that I actually really liked.
Yeah.
right now I'm doing absolutely terrible, but that's because I'm functioning off of like 3 hours of sleep. I don't even think I mentioned that. I do not think I won this. You know, I would like it if there was some sort of counter or something.
Nice. Ah, gosh dang it. At that end, I just.
Oh, hey, there is a counter.
Dang. Too bad there aren't places.
It's like, he literally beat me by 1 point.
Yeah. Finally.
At the very least, now that I know that if I was fully awake, I would have absolutely creamed that one.
Yep.
That's totally how it works, right?
Yeah.
How it works.
Ooh, poor Peach.
She is only 1 minigame behind you.
Oh, good point.
Yeah.
What's up, Peach? Oh, no, she has to go backwards.
Oh!
Oh, everyone.
Yes, I remember that. So and that means she actually... That's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie, that's actually pretty good.
I think if you use your magic lamp, it still cancels the effect.
I'd love to, like, actually see
Alright,
if
I'll just get twos in a row.
So if it...
Yeah, I think if you
But
use...
let me check.
There's nothing bad behind you, so... No harm. Oh, I didn't even go that way.
5, 4, 3.
You can either land on Game Guy...
I don't really want to
Battle.
risk a battle right now.
Yeah, you have a lot of coins. Or you can go back up and land on a blue space that no one's landed on yet. You can almost reach the shop, but not quite.
It's sad.
Yeah, I mean, you're just gonna use your magic lamp. Anyway, oh. Okay.
I don't know, this blue space is just calling my name more than the other one. Can't wait for that blue space to have a hidden block on it. Ooh, DK actually made a smart move there.
Yeah.
Can't wait for that to bite him in the butt. As I stated.
Gotcha, I know.
Oh, Andy. Well, at least he doesn't have to pay into 5 coins. It appears we don't even have 1 coin.
Yeah, Peach. Boo, Peach. This is the Bobo one, right? Yeah.
I'd actually say this is a fairly well-balanced 1v3.
Yeah.
It's one that I lose on in as both the 1 and the 3. That's gotta be worth something, right?
Yeah, so we go bills. Oh gosh, I think this is the first time I've ever gotten hit by a bullet bill. This minigame.
Donkey Kong, don't let your depression make us lose now, please. Yeah!
Wow, DK pulled through. Good
God.
job, you're not worthless.
Sad Monkey went from Mad Monkey to the Sad Monkey again.
Yeah. That's the Sad Monkey arc.
The Sad Monkey arc.
Yep.
The Monkey arc. The Monkey archy.
Alright, Peach. Go ahead, do whatever you do.
So, if she was smart...
What's she doing that for?
I don't know. I mean, if she was smart, she would go left.
She wants to double her coins.
No, it's because the comms are stupid and don't know how powerful the reverse mushroom is.
True.
Oh, she got one of the better ones.
Yeah.
I think that this is the best.
Yeah,
The worst that's gonna happen is it's a 50-50 chance, and the best that'll happen is that the little chomp will be worth 32 or 64, in which then you can just choose the big chomp and practically be guaranteed to win.
Yeah.
You know, this may shock you, but I actually hope Peach loses.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, this
That's
one
right.
actually you have some pretty good odds of at least doubling your coins. Because...
Took her long enough to realize it.
She's like, what? Oh, this hammer, what's it doing? Oh, I lost?
That took her long enough. Princess Slow.
Dude, I don't have any items.
That's a good idea.
Alright. Okay. And, alright, overall.
Well, I mean, you did get a magic lamp, so I guess that does average it out to being okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it would be better if you could use your magic lamp before mine.
Yeah.
Because then you'd be right in front of Bill.
But I wouldn't have the coins. That's what it is.
Bill is the best.
Because Brew costs 5 coins in this game, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it was only free in Mario Party 9, from what I remember.
Oh god.
Yoshi!
I don't like when this happens. I was in a good mood for a while, and then my anxiety kicked in, and now I'm starting to feel sad again.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
I don't know! Sorry.
Were you actually getting upset there?
Maybe a little!
I'm sorry.
It's fine. It was also partially exaggerated because I want the audience to be entertained!
Yeah.
Audience, are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained?
If I went down, I could go to Game Guy.
No,
That's a chance of doubling them and being able to steal a star.
otherwise you go to...
And otherwise, I go to a
battle.
battle minigame. Would this actually be worth it to go to Game Guy?
I think it might.
I'm actually thinking so. It's a double or nothing chance.
Yeah. I was considering buying a boo repellent too.
Yeah, a boo repellent would have been a good thing.
Yeah.
Because you know who the prime suspect is for being stolen from.
This
Oh!
this one's pure 50-50.
Want to hear the rules? No.
Yeah.
I've already played this one, actually.
This one's just pure 50-50.
Okay, so... Last time I had chose the left box and it was correct. So...
Ooh. Can't win them all.
I lose! God. Game Guy is just game guying it up over here.
Yeah. It's almost like the Game Guy is not something that you should trust.
It's almost like it was a bad idea to go to Game Guy.
Okay.
Oh, I have a chance of getting my money back.
That actually is the worst thing for DK.
Sorry. Well, I mean, it could be worse. You
Yeah.
could be doing for more than that. It is 20 coins! That is pathetic for a battle game. That is...
Blocked out. Is that fun one? Ooh, it is. I kind of like this one.
Yeah. This is our first time playing it. Or is it? So A is to grab the key. Alright, you two have fun over there.
Alright. Nope. Nope.
Yoshi, what are you doing?
Dang. Once again, first time.
I pressed A 4 times and Yoshi refused to pick up the correct key. I'm punching her.
Apparently you missed somehow.
And that second time, Yoshi missed so hard that he fell down.
That second time is
That second time is like what happens when I try to punch.
Yeah. Like,
Also, wow, we've been playing for quite a while now. This is actually going to be one of the longer videos from what I'm seeing.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking.
On the one hand, yay, but on the other hand, that also means that my driver's ed stuff is going to have to be even later. I'm not sure how far my dad's going to be willing to go on this.
Etch and catch.
But I can't just, like, stop the recording.
Etch
We're on the same team. Oh, hey, actually, this one was played in our bonus video. So, Toad's been turned into a stamp, and we must free him by drawing circles. We must draw circles around Toad. And this time not in he knows the same direction strat I say as he goes the opposite direction of me.
I don't know, I don't find the same direction strat working on that.
I don't... Was it just me or did it... It was just like, is it just me or did the minigame end a split second early?
Yeah, that seemed kind of... Ooh, last 5 turns.
Oh, this is the first time I've seen Baby Bowser host it.
Yoshi's second, Yoshi's third. Yeah.
This may be the only time that...
Oh yeah,
Baby
they have
Bowser...
a loser prediction. Prediction's another...
Yeah, wow. This is the only game this is going to happen in, guys.
It's me, Bowser. That Luigi will be today's loser. As our number 1 loser, Luigi must pay Bowser 10 coins.
Oh, come on!
I love those
fair
fair and
to get the
square.
star.
Oh yeah, and then all of the classic stuff that
Spaces are doubled, blah blah blah, game is saved, blah blah blah. Peach is going to win because she gets the world handed to her on a platter, blah blah blah.
Because
Same
she's
old,
an
same
entitled
old.
little princess, blah blah blah.
Why would you intentionally choose a lame item?
Oh gosh.
Those are 2 really good items. Come on.
Well, hi, Millennium Star. I have so many missions. That's one of them.
Yes, indeed. Anyway, fish.
That had the potential to be really good. Have we seen triples or double sevens yet?
I honestly can't even remember if we've seen doubles, period. Wait, no, I got doubles once in Spiny Desert, actually.
Can't wait for this.
The board where I was just in a really bad mood for some reason. Anyway, I'm gonna steal points from Peach. You're actually pretty lucky that you're not the one in first anymore.
Yeah. We'll see how powerful this becomes, though. Nice. He was not kidding when he said it was perfect, because 14 is the perfect amount of coins you can steal. Hey, you can buy an item.
Ha ha ha, welcome to Baby Bowser's joint, where you can buy a reverse mushroom and friends. I can buy a Boo Bell.
You can buy a lucky one.
Yeah, that one just seems a lot more luck-based.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choose the Boo Bell.
I think we did see it.
Plus, then I can actually use one of these on like in Superstars!
Now you gotta wait.
Fortunately, though. I had to wait a turn either way.
Oh, that's right. Same space duel.
Uh-oh.
Faced off in a duel.
Yep, unsurprisingly, it's gonna duel for all of the coins, because you'll still have something if you win.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Not foul play, that one's annoying.
I would choose the one inside the middle. No good.
Yeah.
Is it on practice?
Yes, that one does be training. Alright, that doesn't seem too bad. Alright. What the heck is this?
Both of them moving at the same time.
I didn't realize that that could happen so quickly. Surprised he reacted to that in time.
It's like a computer. Finally!
Thank goodness! Oh my gosh!
That was stressful.
Oh, 20! That's the longest I think I've ever seen that minigame go on for. Ooh!
Oh, and DK still gets 7 coins. Hey, 2v2!
Oh yeah, Slot Sync exists.
Oh yeah, that's that one from Mario Party 6 where you roll the different slot.
No.
Oh wait, Mario Party 7. No wait, was it 6? Whatever. This one is just
Come on in.
time the block, and then when you get the right timing, then just do that over and over again.
I remember the time.
Toad likes yo-yos.
Put it down. Dang.
What the? Oh, okay,
I
good.
think y'all got a perfect game.
Yeah. Anyway, Toad really loves yo-yos. Yo! Yo!
Yo!
Yeah, I didn't miss a single one of those.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I got them all first cycle.